time-lapse video, you're going to see how I go about creating a mural using only tape as my lines in perspective. I want you to notice how I immediately put out my paper, my practice drawing, on the left-hand side of where I am working. Then I am actually going to create the front of my design because this is a 1-point perspective and I am going to write out the word yet. I measured where each of my letters were going to go and how the spacing would be so that they were the same as I went down each length of the letter, and I kept them very unified. If I was doing a landscape in perspective, I wouldn't have to be measuring each of these little places. It's okay if my spaces go beyond, or my tape goes beyond where I want it to be in the end, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to be able to cut off anything that is extra. I always want to make sure I go ahead and do these extra little places because they're going to make my line straighter, nicer, neater, crisper. I'd rather cut them off later than have a bad line. At this point, you're going to see me do the perspective. I am finding my vanishing point and I'm going all the way across from my vanishing point to the letter that I need to do, or to that edge that goes back in perspective.